Okay, here's your super quick refresher of how to use MapChart. When you hover over countries, then they kind of highlight, and if you click on the country, it becomes whatever color is right here. If I want to change this color, I just click it, select the color I want to change it to, and then click another country. And as I hover over the countries, the names of the countries show up as well. If I want to change the color again, I come over here and then click. And if I click on another country, it changes that color. So if I want to change the color of a country that I've already colored, I just select a color and then click it. That's how I do it. Now, the other important thing is how do you make your legend? So as you click every color, each individual color will show up here. And I can move these around if I want to reorder them. So however I want to do that, I can do that. And then I just write in here and label. So like your top label is going to be, I think, 200, greater than 200 billion, just go greater than 200, like that. And then I also can make a legend title, so oil production, something like that. And then the stuff's going to show up right here. So that's how you do it. And then, of course, when you're done, you just hit done and you're done. Easy enough. Good luck.